Have you ever loved someone so deeply that even after they're left, their presence still live inside you? You wake up and they are still the first thought. You scroll and everything reminds you of them. You heal, yet some part of you still fades. Hi guys, I am Priya Pal, author, content creator and soul coach. Welcome to my channel. This video isn't about pretending you never loved them. It's about learning how to release them with grace so you can finally make space for your own peace. Because forgetting someone you truly love isn't about erasing memories, it's about reclaiming yourself. The first step to forgetting is actually accepting that it was real. Most people try to numb the pain, they distract, deny, delete, block. But true healing begins when you say, yes, I love them. Yes, it mattered, but it's over now. You're not weak for remembering, you are human for feeling. But your strength lies in choosing to move forward, not in holding on to what no longer chooses you. Let the love be real, but let the chapter end. You are not attached to the person, you are attached to how you felt when you were with them. They represented safety, excitement, validation, belonging. So when they leave, you don't just lose them, you lose the version of yourself. But the truth is, that version of you still exists. You don't need them to access that love, that joy, that spark. It was always yours. They just mirrored it back to you for a while. The goal is to stop chasing the mirror and start becoming the reflection. Most people think forgetting someone means hating them, but anger is still a cord. It keeps you tied to them energetically. The real power is in detaching with compassion. You can say in your heart, thank you for showing me what love feels like. Thank you for teaching me what I deserve. And now I set you free with peace. Forgiveness doesn't mean they were right. It means you choose your peace over your pain. When you stop revolving around someone, your world might feel empty. That emptiness isn't a punishment. It's a space for rebirth. Start rebuilding small things. Wake up and do something that is just for you. Learn, explore, travel, write, move your body. Reconnect with your passion, with your friends, with life itself. The more you fill your world with your energy, the less space the past has to echo. Remember, your story didn't end when they left. It just shifted to the chapter where you become the main character again. Love doesn't always end the way we imagine, but it never goes waste. You can recycle that love. Turn it into art, turn it into compassion, turn it into wisdom for others who are still where once you were. Every soul we meet teaches something about trust, timing, boundaries, our own worth. The one who hurt you simply activated the next level of your awareness. You don't forget someone by deleting them from your mind, you forget them by forgiving them in your heart, by remembering yourself again, and by falling in love with life more than you ever loved the memory. Because healing doesn't mean you never loved deeply, it means you finally learn how to love yourself that deeply. If this message reached you at the right time, take a deep breath and say, I release them. I'm ready for the peace. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.